Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily quick map with your ECOVACS Deebot X1 Plus. So first, make sure that you open the app and here you click Start Quick Mapping. As you guys can see, now I'm gonna take my phone and wait for it to quick map. Now, as you guys can see, it says mapping completed and now it's returning to the station. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.